Okay, what times 6 gets you closest? Divided by 6 gets you closest to 9. That's 1.
Good.
So, and then after that, you do multiplication. And then you multiply 6 times 9. And then 6 times 9 is 6. It's 54. So then you put a 54 under there. And then after that you do 92 minus 54. So then you not that. Ignore that 4. 9 minus 5 is 1. I'll bring down that 4. Okay, not bring down. Then you bring down the 5. And then after you bring down the 5, you divide again. So 6 divided by 154. 45. So you need to do another of these problems.
So remember, you go to 6 and you go all the way down. Now
Hello.
here's a quick tip. If you can't use your multiplication chart to find it, then you did something wrong.
I can.
That's the tip. If it doesn't go on your multiplication chart for this division step right here, then you did something wrong.
Okay, this is how to do it wrong.
No. Okay, let's try to do it right now.
Yeah.
Okay? So I'm going to do it with you. We said 6, or 925 divided by 6. So you did the first part right.
It can't be the same problem anymore.
Yes, it can. That way you know exactly where you got mixed up. Okay? So you did the first part right. What was the first question you asked?
What 6 divided by 9 was? And that was 1.
So now you're on the multiplication step.
Yes, and you do 6 times 9.
No, you do 6 times 1, because 1 was the last number that you wrote down.
And then you write that 6 times, and then you do sister subtract.
Good.
Okay, sister subtract. Sister for S.
Okay.
C. Okay, and then 9 minus 6 is 3.
Good.
So, and then its brother bring it down. So then you bring down that 2, and then it turns into 32. Then you need to go all the way back here and do it again. You go to Dad divide, and then when you divide this, what divided by 6 divided by 32? You don't need to write down 6 divided by 32.
You don't need to, so let's not.
Yeah,
Okay.
we don't need to. So then
Use your multiplication chart.
You could just use a multiplication chart. Okay, 6, and what gets you closest to 32. But you cannot go over 32.
Correct.
So it must be 5. So then you write a 5 up here. Because if you're on the step division and you're dividing two numbers, the number that equals it always has to go up here.
You're right.
So far it's 15. But 15 cannot get you to 925 and 6.
So now you just did the divide step. What step are we on?
So then we're on multiplication, mother multiplication.
So what do you multiply?
We multiply 6 and 15.
That's too high. It's really easier.
Multiply 6 times 6.
So you just wrote down what number?
5. 6 times 5.
Good.
6 times 5 is 30. So then you write a 30 down here. And then now we're on this step. You put 3 minus 3 is 0. And 2 minus 0 is 2. But look, we have another step. So we need to bring down this 5 all the way to the and then it's 25. And then we go all the way back again. So, Dad, divide.
Use your multiplication
We
chart.
divide what times 6 gets you closest to 25. So then you use your multiplication chart, and then that is 4. And then you write a 4 up here.
Good.
Now, then you can't stop here. We need to do all the steps to finish. So now it's mother multiplying. So then we multiply 6 times 4, and that was. Oh wait, I'm on my 4th. That was 24. And then here, let me make this smaller.
There.
And then 24. And since now we're on sister subtract, we could just subtract that. We don't need that 0 anymore. Let's pretend it's not there. Okay, then 5 minus 4 is 1, and 2 minus 2 is 0. It's not 10, because if it was 10, then the 1 should be right here.
You're right.
It's actually just 1. So
Okay, so now what's our answer?
It's 154, remainder 1. So that's it. I have to be 100 again.
Because I'm helping you. Lamley.
Okay.
Do the first step.
9, 8, 27, 30. Okay. Dang it, why does it have to be this? Why?
The longer you don't work,
Okay.
the less time you have.
Making this smaller. Okay. So 9 divided by 1 is 0. So then you put a 0 up. Good. You can't see my answer.
Okay, keep going.
And then, hey, you're still looking at my answer. Okay, then mother was. Okay, so 9 times 0 is 0. So then you put as
keep going, you got it. 9 times 0, where do you put the multiply answer?
I don't up here.
Down there, yeah. Yeah, good.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
And then just subtract. Why do I have to do 6 with it?
1 minus 0, you know how to do that.
I know, but why does it have to be with a 6? I already did it.
Okay, keep going. Now, you did sister subtract.
And then you do. And then when I'm all done, brother bring down. And that's 2.
Okay. Now. What?
And then after it's 2, you divide 9 divided by 12. No, I don't know my 9s. And that's 1.
Good.
So then you put a 1 up. And then it's mother multiply. You multiply 9 times 1. And that's 9.
Good.
So then you put a 9 right here.
Put the 9 right here.
Hey, you messed up. Okay. And then it's that, so 12 minus 9, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. This is a 3. Look, 3. And then you bring down the 6. And it's 36, but 1 cannot get you to 126.
36. So, now you brought down, now what?
Now division. So then you do what times 9 gets you closest to 36.
Okay.
So
Use your chart.
So then I use my chart, and then it's 4 because 9 times 4 is exactly 36.
Exactly.
So then,
So let's shrink it down.
yeah, let's shrink it.
Okay. And so
And
now
then you do mother multiplying the 9. I mean, not mother
Yeah.
multiply. Wait,
multiply, mother, multiply.
I did?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and then 9 times 4
Mm-hmm.
is the 36.
Yes.
36 minus 36 is 0. So then your answer is,
Yeah. No. You don't need to. If it's 0, then you're done.
okay,
Yeah.
okay, I'm all done. So then it's for some weird reason 14.